Today's fun fact of the day has to do with our beloved snooze alarm. That button that is replaced by childhood memories of, "Mommy, just 5 minutes more, please." Ever wondered why snooze is for 9 minutes and not 10 minutes? Why this strange odd number? It's because back in the day of mechanical clocks, it was easier to have a cog that triggered the alarm in single digits. So the 9-minute mark was set. Today, our digital alarms have no such restrictions. Still, the standard is 9 minutes. It has nothing to do with cool things like our sleep cycle or like our brain waves being matched to that snooze alarm. In truth, every time we hit that snooze button and go back to sleep, we are almost always destroying our sleep. Imagine constantly being woken up. Doesn't feel good, does it? Which is why, post a few snoozes, we feel like we haven't slept as well. Just in 3 snoozes and you have lost half an hour of sleep. Welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the podcast where we evolve into the best versions of ourselves, one awesome habit at a time. I'm Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. Now, while half an hour might not seem like a lot, but in sleep terms, it's a lot to get that half an hour more of proper sleep. Very often we end up pressing snooze because we don't want the day to start. We don't have anything exciting to do that day, or we don't have a purpose that fills us enough to jump out of bed. And this is a very big problem, that this little snooze button that you're hitting is actually pausing your life. Now, is that you? Are you feeling like you're stuck in a grind? Everything seems so laborious. New day, same shit. Now, this is a very big problem that little snooze button is hinting at. Is that you? Are you feeling stuck in a grind? Everything seems so laborious. New day, same shit. Heck, nobody would want to get out of bed if that was the situation. There are so many things that we can do for getting over this. Think of the podcast episode where I spoke about Monday highlights. Try putting those every day. Try making the days fun and productive. Speaking about fun and productive, it is such a waste of time. Today, about 50% of the population are snoozers. So let's calculate. 30 minutes a day of snoozing, if not more, over 2 weeks is about 7 hours. That means every 2 weeks, we lose close to one full working day. Now that's 50% of the people losing close to a full day of work every 2 weeks. Over a year, that is close to 26 days. Heck, that's almost a month of February. All from just snoozing. Alarming, isn't it? See what I did there? Pun intended. Now, I know that was an approximation, but you quickly realize how productive time slips away when you look at things from a large scale. Just by avoiding that snooze button, you can reclaim back so much lost time. The problem with snooze is that it is easy to reach, easy to press, and easy to say, just 5 minutes more, it's okay, please. The phone lies next to us, less than an arm's length away. So your super simple habit to start getting over that snooze addiction is to keep your phone charging at the other end of your room, far enough to make you get out of bed. Go to the phone and put it off. Now this is the key bit. After hitting snooze, immediately go to the washroom and splash water on your face. If you like, put a little post-it note on your phone saying, "Go wash your face now." Try this out tomorrow. If you like this episode, don't forget to hit subscribe. Also, give us a rating. It really helps with people discovering the podcast. If you like podcasts like this, check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can also watch all the episodes on the Habit Coach Awesome 180 YouTube channel. Follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere. You can also reach out to me. I am Ashdin Doc at Twitter and Instagram. You can connect with me on my website, awesome180.com. You can also check out my 2 new books, Change Your Habits, Change Your Life, and the second, The Book of Good Habits for Kids. I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach.
IVM.